And before jumping into today's video, first of all, wish all of you a very happy new year 2023. By God, I can't believe like we are already in another year. Like अभी 2022 start ही हुआ था. But anyways, as they say कि समय जाते देर नहीं लगती. So I hope all your hopes, wishes, resolutions come true this year. I'm not gonna be keeping any resolutions. I'm just gonna be picking some small good habits throughout the year. But I wish all the success for your resolutions if you're keeping any. And yeah, with that, let's just get started with today's video. सो फॉर टुडेज वीडियो लाइक टाइटल से तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा बट मैं फिर भी बता देती हूँ बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वीडियो. इफ यू स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग मी लास्ट ईयर इन 2022 you would know that I have started doing makeup videos. Yes guys, I'm trying my hands at makeup और उस वजह से I have a little bit of makeup with me. बहुत huge collection नहीं है मेरे पास but थोड़ा बहुत है like decent size for a beginner like me. And the problem is कि I'm keeping them in boxes. Like literally boxes. Like here is some makeup, then my lipsticks are in this pouch and rest of the makeup is like in here. If you can see, I'm not gonna tilt it, सब गिर जाएगा. और बहुत ही disorganized way से मेरा makeup पड़ा रहता है and it's very difficult for me to keep a track of everything. So to help me with that, my dear beautiful sister, she sent me a solution. क्योंकि मेरा बर्थडे भी ईयर के एंड में पड़ता है तो दिस इज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट ऑल्सो एंड आई थॉट दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू स्टार्ट द न्यू ईयर इन एन organized way. So she sent me this huge vanity box. Like can you see how huge it is? मेरा चेहरा कितना सा दिख रहा है इसके बगल में. It's a huge one, pretty sturdy, pretty handy one actually. And I'm gonna be organizing all my makeup into this. दिस इज़ ह्यूज. ये पूरा नहीं भरने वाला है क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत मेकअप नहीं है एज आई सेड बट आई प्लान टू लाइक फिल इट टू द ब्रिंक दिस ईयर hopefully fingers crossed. So if you want to know what this box looks like and how I organize makeup in it, then all you have to do is just keep on watching the video. And yes, of course my mom is gonna help me, so you might see her as well. And with that, let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is what the case looks like. It's pretty shiny outside, like it's fox leather, and it comes with these two handles to carry it easily. And besides the handles, it also comes with two hooks at the side like this. इस side पे भी है, and then it comes with like a strap like this, so you can like hook it across, and if you want to carry it over your shoulder, you can do that too. Now to open it, इसके दोनों side पे से chains आती हैं. And this is how it opens, but let me show you the best part of this. So it fully opens up like this. It has all these trays and compartments to store your, organize your makeup properly. So let's get started. I'm so excited. But before putting in my makeup, I'm gonna line these cases with like tissue paper कि अगर मेरा कोई भी प्रोडक्ट खुलता है या कुछ लीक होता है तो I don't want this to get dirty ना. वैसे तो ये मेटल या प्लास्टिक का है जो इजीली साफ हो जाना चाहिए but I don't want to take the chance with it. So I'm gonna be lining every compartment with tissue paper. Alright, so it's all fully lined up with tissue paper and the best part starts now. Let's start pulling out all the makeup from those dabbas and let's organize in this one. Alright you guys, so this is the bag I used to store all my makeup in, but as you can clearly see, it's bursting out of this bag. So I'm gonna be transferring all this stuff and lot more which is lying around me in this one. Alright you guys, so सबसे पहले नीचे वाले compartment से start करते हैं. So the first thing I'm gonna be keeping is all my brushes. I know they are pretty dirty because I've been using them regularly, but don't worry, I'm gonna clean them up after this video for sure. After that I'm gonna be keeping my sponges as well. Again ये वाला गंदा है, I know, but I'm gonna wash it. And this one is like a brand new piece for backup sort of. So I'm also gonna be keeping these here. The next thing that's gonna go in that compartment are these two like makeup remover pads. I use these only to remove my makeup from the time I've gotten them. So they are also gonna be the part of this makeup box, of course. The next thing is gonna be this eyelash curler. I've started using this one like because yeah, I thought it's good to have an eyelash curler in your makeup bag. So this is also gonna go down here only. Now this remaining space is gonna be for my foundations because foundations की bottle ना सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी होती है. So I'm gonna keep foundations here. The first foundation I have is this one from Maybelline in the shade 230, or this is the reason I have lined all my compartments because this leaks a lot. Next one is this Lakme Absolute ka Mousse foundation. This is gonna expire soon, but it has like a month or two in it, so I'm gonna keep it for that while. The next one is Nykaa ka Skin Genius one. Again, this has like a month or two left in it, so till then I'll keep it with me. The last one is from Faces Canada. I don't remember getting it, but yeah, since I have it, I'll keep it. The next thing that I'm gonna put in this compartment is this setting spray from Faces Canada. Anyways, this is all I can think of right now to put in this नीचे वाला compartment. I'll see like after filling all these compartments also कि कुछ बचा है, I can keep it here, so मैं उसमें डाल दूँगी. नहीं तो for now this is gonna be it for this one. Now I'm gonna be continuing with the base products जो कि मैं यहाँ पे रखने वाली हूँ. All the powder, setting powders, maybe blush and highlighters as well. Let's see what all I can store in there. So the first thing I have is this Inside का concealer palette, and yes guys, ये मेरे पास बहुत टाइम से है, and I have a bad habit of storing like outer packaging of everything. You'll see while I'm gonna be showing you the products. So this time I'm not gonna be keeping the outer packaging, just the product. So this is gonna go like that. So this is the first thing. The next one is Nykaa ka like compact powder. So this is also gonna go here. नेक्स्ट अप इज मार्स का ट्रांसल्यूसेंट पाउडर. इसका रिव्यू मैंने शॉर्ट्स में डाला हुआ है, मैं लिंक कर दूंगी नीचे, बट एज यू कैन सी इसका भी आउटर पैकेजिंग इंटैक्ट है, सो आई एम गोना थ्रो दैट एज वेल. The next up I have is this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. Oh, this is such a prized possession of mine. This is also gonna go here only. I have another highlighter from Inside Cosmetics, so I guess highlighters एक ही साथ रख देते हैं. I have a blush too this time. This is from NY Bay, their Sunset Skyline blush, so I'll keep this here as well. I have another like lip and cheek tint, if you can see, from Cuffs and Lashes. Again outer packaging में, but निकाल के मैं इसको ये भी यहीं रख दूंगी. Then I have Cuffs and Lashes का cover pot. I'll see if I can fit this here because I do want to keep everything like together, like base products ना. Okay, it fits. Now I have like a bunch of concealers with me which I'm planning to keep here as well. So I have two Age Rewind from like Maybelline, and then I have two Inside ka HD concealers. Now the last one I have, I believe it's from Swiss Beauty, their liquid concealer, I'm not too sure. So this is how this base compartment looks like. I might shift these concealers if the box is not gonna close, but we'll see that at the end of the video. Let's move on to eye makeup. Yes, I'm gonna be keeping eyeshadow palettes and all the liners, mascaras, kajals and everything here. So let's see what all I have. So firstly, I have ये ELF का bite-sized palettes in 2 shades. So I'm gonna be keeping this one first. Another eyeshadow palette I have is from Cuffs and Lashes. It's a collaboration with Shy Styles. I really love this palette. I use it a lot. ये भी outer packaging में है, but इसकी packaging बहुत pretty है. Can you see? So I'm gonna be keeping it inside the packaging only. Now let's talk about liners because I have quite a bit of. So the first one I have is this one from Color Bar. ये sketch liner है. ये मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था. I don't remember, but yeah, it still works, so I'm gonna keep it. Next one is this green eyeliner from Zudio. ये मैं अभी लेके आई हूँ, and it's a pretty good liner. देन आई हैव अगेन लाइक अ गुड लाइनर फ्रॉम जूस कॉस्मेटिक्स, ये ब्लैक कलर में ही है. देन आई हैव टू आई लाइनर्स फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी, अगैन ये पैकेजिंग में है, मैं पैकेजिंग निकाल के ही रखूंगी. वन इज इन लाइक ब्लू कलर एंड अनदर वन इज लाइक ब्लैक कलर. नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू काजल आई हैव दीज टू. ये बहुत पुराना है मेबेलिन का एंड द फेसेस कैनेडा वन मैंने अभी अभी खरीदा है. Then I have two mascaras as well. One is like Lakme Iconic and another one is from Juice Cosmetics. Also, I have two brow products. One is like a brow pencil from Miss Claire and another one is from Nykaa Oh My Brow Gel. The next thing I have this liquid eyeshadow from Mars, so I'm gonna be keeping it in the eyeshadow compartment only. I do have like a pair of eyelash and eyelash glue which I never use because I don't know how to, but I'm gonna keep practicing, so I'm gonna be keeping this also in the eye compartment only. And with that the eye section is complete. Let's move on to the other side. Now the only thing I have like proper remaining is lipstick, which I'm gonna keep here later on, but in these two compartments I'm gonna keep some random items. So one such random item is this Inside Ka Pore Filling Primer. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this, we'll talk about that later. Next thing I have this like sort of hand cream, so this is also gonna go in the random compartment. I have Livon as well, the tiniest bottle possible, so this is also gonna go in the random compartment. Now I have this mini perfume from Miniso as well, so I'll just keep it here. I have this bindi with me. I use it a bit whenever I'm doing some Indian makeup, so I'm gonna keep this in my makeup bag only. Then yeah, some rubber bands. Then I have some tic tac clips. कभी कभी ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है हेयर स्टाइल करने की, so I'm gonna keep this in my makeup purse only. And yeah, how can you forget a scrunchie? Now I have this like sharpener also. इसमें बहुत कचरा भरा हुआ है. I use it for my like pencil products. Alright you guys, it's time for lipsticks. I have quite a few. Let's see what all I have. Firstly, I have like two lip liners from Miss Claire in the shade like brown and red. Then I have like 4 shades from Specta Cosmetics. इनका swatch already मेरे shorts पे है, मैं इसको link कर दूंगी नीचे if you wanna see. Then I have these two liquid lipsticks from Color Bar. I really love their formula. One is in like orangish color and another one is in brown. Another set of liquid lipsticks from Juice Cosmetics. Again guys, outer packaging में है, but मैंने packaging निकाल के ही रखूँगी. इनका भी like swatch मेरे shorts पे है, मैं वो भी नीचे link कर दूँगी. Next up are these two matte minis from Nykaa. I absolutely love this shade 07 Grace and yeah, they're pretty handy. Next up I have another liquid lipstick. ये मुझे as a free gift मिला था Lakme से. इसकी हालत बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, but shade बहुत pretty है. That's why I keep it with me. I have another bullet lipstick from Juice Cosmetics. इसका shade orangish सा है जो मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, but I do keep it. Maybe I can use it in some other way. Next up I have two from Stay Quirky. ये बहुत ही पुरानी लिपस्टिक्स हैं, एक पिंक शेड में है and एक है रेड में. I love the shades and the formula, that's why I keep these with me. So guys, lipsticks are done. I know I don't have much as per the beauty standards, but fingers crossed, maybe this year I'll grow my collection to a lot more lipsticks. Now I just have like a few random things I want to keep to make my life easier, and one of them is this comb. So as I mentioned starting में ना कि कुछ भी बचा तो I'll keep it in this bottom compartment, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Then I have this like bun scrunchies. जब भी आप बालों में bun बनाओ, so you can like use this to give it a fuller look. So I'm gonna keep this in the नीचे वाला compartment as well. Then I have these few like hair accessories as well. ये भी मैं नीचे ही रख दूँगी ताकि सारी चीज़ें ना एक साथ रहें मेरे makeup box में. So yes guys, with this I complete organizing my makeup in just one single place. मतलब I was not expecting to have this much makeup. मुझे तो लगा था box आधा भी नहीं भरेगा, but it looks pretty full. I'm really happy about that. A big thumbs up to this box. इसमें सारा सामान आ गया and yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. So that's it, guys. This is how I organized all my makeup in the starting of this new year. Like, this bag has gotten really heavy and I plan to make it heavier this year, hopefully. But yeah, मैं इसका link नीचे description box में डाल दूंगी in case you want to buy it for yourself. This is like a multi-purpose bag, you guys. तुम्हें इसे सिर्फ मेकअप से भरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तुम जो भी तुम्हारी प्रेफरेंस हो उसके हिसाब से इसमें चीज़ें ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में रख सकते हो. बेसिकली इट्स अ ऑर्गेनाइजर. If you have like a huge collection of makeup, you can like fill it with the makeup you use on a daily basis. तो तुम लोग को वो पूरे टाइम हंट नहीं करने पड़ेंगे ड्रॉर से. यू कैन गेट दैट लाइक एट वन प्लेस. एंड इसके साथ ट्रैवल भी किया जा सकता है. सो योर स्टफ विच इज़ लाइक ब्रेकेबल और कैन बी रूइंड इजीली, वो सेफली तुम्हारे साथ ट्रैवल कर सके. So in multiple ways you can use this bag, and I'm absolutely loving it and thankful to my sister that she thought of this and sent me it. So yeah, with that I come to the end of this video. If you liked it and you want me to make more makeup videos, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free, and don't forget to ring the bell icon beside it. And as I always say, like, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you. Keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you on my next one. Bye bye.